Let's bring in Mizuho senior semiconductors analyst Vijay Rakesh. He has a buy rating on Broadcom, maintains it post-earnings, raising his price target from 435 to 450. So what was the problem here with what was said on the call, do you think, Vijay?
Yeah, thanks for having me on, Sarah. So for Broadcom, really, the focus was on their backlog being a little bit, not as high as people were expecting, but also some of the Anthropic orders on the rack side were carrying lower margins. And so that was really what brought the stock down a little bit. But that said, this is a stock that's growing their AI revenues 125% into next year, calendar 26. And they are also growing earnings 45% plus year on year. So this is still where the growth is. They are still the big suppliers to Google on their entire hardware stack, to Meta, to Anthropic, and even OpenAI coming down the road. So,
why was that a surprise on the margins being lower because the AI mix is growing if they're seeing such tremendous revenue growth?
That definitely should not have been a surprise. I don't think it was a surprise to any of the investors who are actually looking at it. But I think, broadly, if you look at the names, this stock is up 75–80% year to date. You're seeing a little bit of a pullback. We would actually buyers on this pullback, as I think all roadmaps on the AI side lead to ASICs as well. Every major CSP and hyperscaler is adding ASIC to their roadmap. So shouldn't be a surprise. We would use the pullback. So.
Yeah, we should point out this is the worst day for Broadcom going back to April, but it does have that feel, Vijay, of maybe locking in some gains for this amazing year.
Absolutely. I think that might be a little bit of it, but we are not done yet. I think, as we say, Broadcom's AI revenues this year is growing 50% year on year. 2026 is growing 125%. So it's actually accelerating in their AI revenues. And fiscal 27, as Hawk said on the call, will be a bigger year than fiscal 26 in terms of growth or total AI revenues. So there's more to come. And OpenAI is not even in the backlog yet. So the whole OpenAI engagement is still down the road. And so we would really, block out all the noise, use the pullback, buy it. It's still a great name. So.
When on a week where Oracle talked about sort of this idea of being chip neutral or chip agnostic or bring your own chip, however you want to phrase it, do you think most chip investors want to own both Broadcom and NVIDIA, or are they willing to trade it from one into the other?
I do think that you will see investors own both because they are both the best of breed in what they do. If you look at NVIDIA, they obviously are the king of the hill. I mean, they have they've been doing on 200 billion, 260 billion in AI revenues next year. And they're trading at a substantial 20 times next year PE versus their top line growing 50% year on year. So big discount to what they're growing. So that's definitely where, investors have to be adding. Broadcom as well is definitely growing a whole lot faster. That's reflected in the valuation. But again, these are two great names that investors should have, as you look out next year. Yeah.